Dave, day 2, deja vu.
Another run, another wet weather. Got the new pants, jacket, same run as yesterday.
5 o'clock in the morning. Actually, did sleep pretty good last night, but didn't we? King size bed.
We did, king size. I had a single.
Oh, no, we're king size. And it's raining again. Oh, it's following us.
Well,
All right.
got to have fun. That's
507k day today. So it should be a doozy. Most of it's dirt, maybe 100 odd so k's of tar. Going to go through the highest road in Queensland today. So, right guys, a bit tired, but we're upper.
Okay, day 2. So I'm going to hit the traps today, going to do the enduro one. It's supposed to be a nice, easy ride. We'll see how we go. Still a misty looking morning out there over Townsville. Been a beautiful night here. Hopefully not too much rain.
Well, we're on our way up to Paluma. What a beautiful little road this one is. It'd be better in the dry, but I was just saying this is a beautiful road, Dave, but it'd be nice in the dry. Absolutely. Look at that, it's amazing. Oh yeah. Crystal Creek, guys, look at that. Beautiful. Pretty special. Canopy just comes straight over the top of us, doesn't it? No light. Yep. See if we can roll. Oh shit, that's a heavy one. We might just push that over. That'll do, eh? Yeah. Try. Hold it. Yeah. you just went through the tree roots.
Alrighty, I'm about to head out on the first lot of dirt soon. Everyone's turning up here. And still, they say it's clear on the mountain. But yeah, we'll wait and see when we get up there. Unfortunately, my GoPro's not on my helmet because the bracket broke and the GoPro's doing funky things. Well, the road up to Paluma was absolutely stunning. I'm just up at the lookout now, but no, she's a misty day and you can't see anything. The road, it's a tar road up to Paluma, but it's just beautiful rain frost, ferns, misty, very greasy road for motorbikes though, but I had a lovely ride up there, most enjoyable.
Look at it. You know, they just look at you.
Okie dokie. So, we've just stopped. Where are we? Camel Creek Road, Greenvale. The road's been really good. It's been a dirt road, very grippy, till we got to the Valley of the Lakes, I think. I'll have to work out that one. She's getting a little muddy now, just a little bit slippery, but not too much. You just got to keep your eye on things. We just stopped here and put some fuel in the little XT. So she had over 300 k's to go today. So we fueled her up. Put 4.5 litres in and on our way. Should make the distance now. There you go. Little girl's got a bit of mud on her. I've just taken the front guard off because it was just collecting it. Well, actually I got help. But it was good.
Right, our lead riders are both in. Look how domesticated we are. Got a nice motel room here in what's the name of this place?
Is this a slot is that going to?
You're asking the wrong person. I know about slots, but not those sort of slots. Anyway, we're at Tinaroo, Lake Tinaroo. Look at this, perfect little, look at the apartments that Nick's got us for a machine, perfect. And we got washing machines and dryers, so as you can see, we've been out in the rain for 2 days and everything's getting to dry now. Look at Dave, you can't even see, he's trying to wash. Oh, have you ever used a washing machine, Dave?
I have used washing machines plenty of times. I'm just starting to see if I can find a 30-minute wash.
Alright, I think it's time for a rum. Mate, how are we going today? Big day?
Yep, massive day. Almost, I had to put the heater on a couple of notches.
You didn't get cold at all, that was the main thing.
It was a bit chilly there for a while.
Did you get wet?
I had to get out of the car to get some stuff for someone.
Did you get wet?
And I got wet, yeah.
Yeah, we're getting out of the car.
Yeah.
Big day.
And then I quickly ran back, put the heater on, and then, yeah, drove all the way back. It was awesome.
Awesome.
How did you guys go?
We're dry.
Yep.
Now. All the bags are in. Roey's got all ready for the riders. Look at this today. This is what we're in today. Look at this. We are really getting spoilt. Have a look at this. You wouldn't think we're going to the Cape. In a couple of days we'll be eating dirt and dust. But for now, we're living it up at Lake Tinaroo. This is what you expect from Machine, and there will be another one of these trips next year, GDR3. So look out for it. If you're keen to go, this is what you can expect. You going a bit slow today?
No.
Any get-offs?
Over today.
Why?
Because it's the worst shit to riding
What was?
for the last 460 k's.
You didn't like the dirt?
I like dirt, I don't like this.
Oh, come on.
I can't believe how much
Sooks.
Darren, can you not
You're not even wet.
You don't you?
Let's do it. Well done, darling.
Hey, baby.
Well
You
done.
can't see on the camera.
Woo.
Where do you want to put the bike? Up there?
Come up through there. Get into it, darling. Go up. You've got to get off first. You've got to have a drink before we go back.
Oh, where is it?
The drink's just here, we're around the corner.
I'll just park over there.
No, park there, that's fine. No one's going anywhere. I heard we heard you pulled the guard off. We heard there was a big accident with the guard put on.
Oh,
What do you think?
all the mud got caught in his guard.
Yeah.
And through him, yeah.
No, we heard all about it. You had the tools out and done it yourself?
Hey?
You fixed it, did your bike yourself? Got the guard off?
No, Warren helped me.
Oh yeah, Warren helped you?
Yeah.
That's good, come on.
Yeah,
Righto.
Where is she? What's happening?
Hang on, you want some cake?
you better put
No,
cake.
you don't need cake.
Well done, Joe. Well done.
Well done. That was a really good day until it wasn't.
So was it? Righto, darling.
just turned terrible at the end.
Are you going to skull that or what?
I got a skull it.
Well, if you want.
Yeah, go it, darling. Go.
Yeah, hook it.
Get it.
Well done,
Right.
Joe.
Well done, sweetie.
Cheers.
Upper. Oh, bottom star. That's my girl. Phew. Let's stay two down.
Stay two down. Hi.
How we going?
Here we go. So everything's in here.
Yeah,
Brilliant
good one.
day. All put away. Got a
Day-
nice little garage tonight
Day
to put the
two
bikes
done.
in. Yep, day
Done and
two's
dusted.
done.
Awesome.
Han River, here we come tomorrow. Bloomfield.
Yeah, can't wait for Cape Tribulation. Get across there and start heading up to Cape York Peninsula.
We're on our way.